Hello everyone, today we're going to look at the retail software provided to us by GetPOS team. This is the landing page. It shows us the login page for our cashier. Here he will fill his details. In case he forgets his password, forget password functionality is also provided here, where he can fill his email and then proceed forward to receive the password on his mail. We'll click on login, and now we can see the screen where it is asking for our opening shift balance, and here we can fill the balance which we have and then click on continue. Now this is the main POS software screen. Here on the left hand side we can see item categories. In the center we can see all the items, and on the right side we can see the ordering tab. It is all well laid out. On the top we also have a search option to search for the items. Now beginning from the left side we can see all the item categories have been neatly laid out with items in them. They can be customized according to the needs of the customer. Now photo can also be attached here with the description, and here it is the rate of the item, selling price, and the stock it has in this warehouse. Okay, now coming to the right side ordering screen. Here first of all we need to select a customer. The customer can be existing customer, new customer can also be created, and in case the customer does not want to provide us with the phone number, a guest customer tab can be selected so that we can order. So we'll begin with the guest customer. Here we will select the guest customer and we can start the order process. Let's say he wants to buy these items. These items have been added in the cart. Here it is showing the unit price, here it is showing the quantity, and here it is showing the total. Unit price of the items can also be edited, and for this editing we need to authorize the price edit. Here admin will fill his email and password, and then the change will be authorized, and then he can change the price. Cashier does not have the right, he only has a particular percentage of right to change the price. And here we can increase the quantity through these buttons, and also if you want to order bulk quantities for, let's say, 40, so we can also do that. Let's say we can set the price to 29, and then it has been changed because it is allowed to a certain percentage, which can be also set by admin, that the cashier can change it. So here promotional code can also be applied to provide discount, and then we can click on apply, and then the promotional code has been applied, and also the taxes have been calculated here neatly. So we can pay for this order via cash, and then we can click on continue. An order has been successfully created. Now we can also now we will show you how you can add a new customer. Let's say you will get his phone number first, and then here it will prompt you to add his name, and then we can create a new customer. So he will order, let's say, this items. Now for a customer who is registered, there has been open many options, like promo code was there for guest customer, but now gift card and loyalty points have also been shown here. So we can place an order for him and he can also go. So now we will show you the order with an existing customer. Let's say we'll choose the customer here. You can also choose the customer by adding the phone number. Let's say he chooses these options, and then promotional code can also be applied here, and loyalty points, if they are available, can also be added here. And then there is also an option to pay by split functionality, so we'll show you right here. Here he can, let's assume he pays for 100 rupees with cash, and rest he pays with the card machine. The card machine can be connected and the amount can be paid. It can also be done by a QR code if the machine is available. We'll pay, it can also be paid via the credit note if it is available, and then we'll complete it in the order. The order has been completed. Now we can also show you the feature items right here. Here there is multiple items. Here you can also select items with multiple UMs, for example like this box, carton, pack and NOS. These can be defined for multiple items. So let's assume we add this and this. They can all be added in our cart automatically. And then here we can also make combos and buy one get one items, and items which are out of stock will appear like this here. So here loyalty points can be added, and also gift card can be done, which we will show you right now. Gift card has been added, and we'll also show you the loyalty points. Either the promo code and loyalty points can be applied, or gift card and loyalty points can be applied, and then he'll pay for the order as well. Now our order functionality has been complete. Now we will move on to orders tab. It is showing parked order, failed order and completed orders, these three options. Now we'll show you how the parked order functionality works. We'll place an order. Let's say a customer orders these and he goes out to fetch for another item, so we can park this order. It will be saved here, and another customer, and we select it, and then he can proceed with the order. Let's say he applies loyalty points and promo code, so he can pay and his order will be done. And then we can fetch the previously parked order here, and then we can proceed with the order. There is also a functionality to reset the order. Here we can click on reset, and there is also an option to undo it if it is done by mistake. Then we can pay for it now. Now the park order functionality is seen, and now if any orders fail, they will appear here, and here all the completed orders can be seen. We can go back to the top. If we open this, all the information required is seen here. Here there is invoice number, date and time, and who is the customer, how much is the amount and how it is paid, all the items that have been added, subtotal, taxes and all, how the order was paid for. All the information has been provided here. There is an also option to return whole order or return particular items, which can be done from here. We can click on this item and then the item can be returned. For this, here is also a functionality to reorder, print the receipt for the order again, and then mail the invoice to the particular customer if the mail ID is added. We'll click on the reorder and show you. Here the reorder option has been clicked, and then the order has been placed, so we can place the order again. So yes, this it shows that this order has been returned, and the return order was tab has been come, which shows what has been returned. Okay. Moving on, this is a credit note which has been issued. If he wants to pay with the credit note, there is also an option to pay with it, like we will show you right now. Let's assume he wants to pay with a credit note. Here the cashier can scan the barcode on the invoice. We'll have to fill it here. Credit note has been applied, and the rest of the amount can be paid in whatever mode of payment we want to pay in. Now the order has been completed. Here all the order details will be provided, and invoice can also be printed from here. Now we'll move on to the next customers tab. Here we can also search for the name and contact details. We can also edit the customer details here. Like here we can edit the name, a number, and the mail, and also if address details have been provided, they can be added here and then clicked on updated. And next is a profile tab. From here there is a basic information here, and there's an option to close our shift, and then there's an option to connect the printers. Either we can connect the Bluetooth printer or we can click the USB printer. There's an option to refresh it also, and then there's a option to change the passwords as well. From here we can the cashier can close the shift. Here the amount balance can be seen, which has been collected. We can fill the balance, and then we can click on log out.